Today I make logo for a nature's brand. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I choose this font A, and now this font is Montserrat Bold. Now create outline and ungroup it. Go to rectangle tool and simply drag it and go to Pathfinder and minus fill. Now, if you want but all the things that you can select this delete anchor point tool and minus it. Simply click it with left clicked. Okay, minus all the points and it just changes. Okay, so now we are going to make this. So first of all, I take this pen tool and I take this pen tool and simply drag it with mouse. Sorry guys, I just uh, now the I think I just okay. So now this ESC and go to this. Now rotate it and increase the PT and pick this uniform. Okay, so increase the PT and align it with horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now, as you can see, as I now I think this is enough. Now go to object tool and expand appearance. Now, first of all, we make a leaf. So I take this ellipse tool and simply drag it with mouse, not press shift and none pressed alter and go to this direct selection tool and click it and convert into selected anchor points to corner. Again, now go to this selection tool and simply uh, minus it with and now take this line segment tool, simply drag it and now increase the PT. 14 is enough and now go to uniform and this curve tool. Curve so object expand appearance. Now rotate it and change the color into green because it's visible more and now take this and go to pathfinder and minus friend. Now this is our leaves. Go to edit, copy, paste in front and rotate it. And now copy it with alter and now this is our leaf is done. This is our leaf guys. Go to align menu and vertical align center. Now group all the two and align it with horizontal align center. Now we make leaf and how to make leaf. Okay, so now you know okay how to make leaf. Now go to this object path, offset path, and write 8 pt. Okay, and simply press it with shift and go to pathfinder and minus back. Now it's done, guys. I hope you guys like the video, and do share and subscribe, and check my community also, and follow me on Behance, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and I posted it daily. So keep watching my videos and uh, tell your opinions that how should I improve my videos and how should I make content for you guys. I hope you guys like the video and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video, guys. Uh, thank you. Thanks for watching.